Hey everyone, happy autumn and welcome to Living Life with Kanika. Today I'll let you know how to paint the dried autumn leaves, and these are the placement of the leaves. Now I'm wetting out my color. My color name is Gombage Hue. So see, I'm wetting out the color. You can see the leaves as they are very light. So you can see the darker leaves in the corner. I'll paint in the middle of the leaf like this. Then again, by taking some water and color, I'll paint the another stroke, and then I'll paint the other stroke. Now I am taking color crimson and adding water to it. Now I will paint the sides of the leaf like this in leaf shape. And now you will perfectly know that where yellow color is placed, and I have painted, because firstly it was a little difficult to see that where is the placement of yellow color, but now after painting this crimson color, you'll let you know properly. Now little bit I am merging somewhere color. This I am showing you in normal speed, as you can do it. Now what you need to do is take water and a little bit of yellow color and start merging it with the crimson color. Now take color and make the corners of the leaves a little bit darker. And let your color merge with the another color. Now taking a little bit of lemon yellow, taking sap green. Simply wet your space first and then use the color. Now I have taken color burnt sienna to paint a little stem of this leaf. I am painting the second one, and you can see the second technique is different. And as first I am wetting out my space, then I'll pour my color. The color with itself merge with the other color. Taking burnt sienna, taking crimson lake. See, it is going a wet on wet technique. Wet on wet technique means when the color is wet, you are pouring the color and the color will spread eventually. And basically wet on wet technique is that your first color is not dried and you are applying the second color on it, and it will merge very much beautifully, as you can see. Now I am painting the second portion. I am wetting out all the space with water and let the color breathe, not to worry about. Now I have taken lemon yellow color, then a little bit of burnt sienna, crimson color and painting the corners of the leaf. Now see, I have wetted my base and now I'm pouring the colors. You can see the effect is coming so much beautifully. Using white color to make sap green a little bit of lighter, and again pouring my color. I always say that have patience while working, because patience will give you a beautiful touch in your painting. Now I am wetting up the second portion of my leaf. I'll paint this leaf in 3 portions, as second leaf I have painted in third portion. No need to worry about if the color bleeds. Now taking little bit of my color and pouring it for a beautiful effect. Taking lemon yellow. I think now you are very much familiar with the color, and I didn't think that it's a need to recognize the color again and again. Now I am taking a third portion, wetting my space with only water. Not to worry about if the color. Taking lemon yellow color and little bit of burnt sienna. Crimson lake color. And to remember to paint the sharp edges of the leaf. Now I grab my crimson color and painting the sides of the leaf to make it little darker. As you can see very much clearly that all the leaves I have painted is of different techniques. So you can also tell me that which technique you like the most. You can type it in the comment section below. Now I am clearing up the space because sometimes water spills and it ruins all my page. So I am clearing up my space with a dry cloth. Now I have grabbed lemon yellow color and will paint the left section of the leaves. So these all 3 leaves are ready and rest 3 leaves will also be painted with the same technique. So guys, this is the look of my all the 3 leaves, and you can see that all my 3 leaves look different from each other. Now I'm using Uniball pen to create the lines at the corner. Now as my lines is ready, I have made a frame. Now it's time to do a beautiful calligraphy. As my all-time favorite, I'm using my Tombow pen and writing a beautiful quote. Autumn shows us how beautiful is it to let things go. As many trees shed their leaves and just wait for the beautiful new leaves to grow, so as we also just let the bad talks go away and just think beautiful. So do let me know in the comment section how you liked my painting, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and share the video. Do hit the bell icon for my new notifications.